Are you thinking about moving to Los Angeles, but you're on a budget? Well, I have a budget-friendly neighborhood to show you. It's called Harvard Park. It's a neighborhood in Southwest Los Angeles, just south of downtown Los Angeles. It's about a 20-minute drive to downtown, to the heart of downtown. It's also very close, about 13-minute drive to the new SoFi Stadium for the football enthusiasts. There is a lot of parks and recreation centers in the area. As a matter of fact, there is Recreation Center, Harvard Recreation Center, about 5 blocks from here. You can find pool there, basketball courts, tennis courts. There is a baseball field, playground for children. There is also picnic areas. So it's walking distance from here, very close. The neighborhood is an older, one of the historic neighborhoods in Los Angeles. You can find a lot of cute, charming Spanish-style homes, craftsman, traditional-style homes. They're mostly single-family homes in this neighborhood. There's some smaller multi-family like duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, but mostly single-family. There is about 50% of population is homeowners and 50% population is renters. But it's a very nice walkable neighborhood, very clean. A lot of investors and developers are buying out of these older homes, remodeling them. So there's a pretty fast gentrification going on in the neighborhood, and it's pretty affordable as well. Median home value in this neighborhood is about $600,000. I would love to show you one of the homes you can find here. This cute, charming Spanish-style home right here behind me. It's been completely remodeled. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, about 800 square feet on a 4,000 square foot lot. And my name is Gabriela with SoCal Living. And if you like what you see, please subscribe below and let's take a look. All right, so let's take a look at this beautiful Spanish charming home. It's completely remodeled, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's about 800 square feet, but it feels bigger than it is because it has a beautiful open floor plan. Lots of light. This beautiful window, large window facing the street. Brings a lot of light. Also a ton of windows on the side here. And then this beautifully remodeled kitchen with shaker cabinetry and quartz countertops. Nice open, plenty of cabinetry. Especially for a smaller home, you have plenty of cabinets to store stuff. There would go the stove here, dishwasher. And here, this is the furnace here. The home has central heating and air conditioning, which you definitely need in this area, the air conditioning in the summertime. There's recessed lighting throughout. Because look at this beautiful large window facing the backyard. Cute yard. So the lot is about 4,000 square feet, a little over 4,000, and as I mentioned, the home is about 800. Feels bigger. Here is one of the bedrooms, the front bedroom facing the street. Again, you have a lot of light here. Beautiful large window overlooking the street. And then you have closet here. Recessed lighting also in the bedrooms. Then there's a second bedroom right here, about the same size, also nice and bright. This one is facing the backyard, nice and private space. Again, recessed lighting. Probably the same size closet as the other bedroom. A little squeaky, but that could be fixed quickly. And then in between the bedrooms, you have nice large bathroom. Again, completely remodeled, nice stand-up shower with a rain shower head and a handheld shower. And nice large vanity with, again, shaker cabinetry and quartz countertop, large window, mirror, large mirror. Again, it's a really nice size living room kitchen combination. It's a great floor plan for entertaining. So if you're cooking or prepping some meals in the kitchen, you have guests, you can entertain and still do some finishing up in the kitchen. And let's take a look in the backyard. So it's a nice size yard, private. It could be actually fixed with a little landscaping, or maybe put a taller fence. I would probably put some ficus along the property line to make it nice and private. You also have here a one-car garage. The owners actually have plans for ADU, so converting the garage for ADU. They're preliminary plans that have not been submitted to the city, but it's an option for someone if they would like to add an ADU, which is actually really common here in Los Angeles. This is the home from the back. Cute. And then there's actually a long driveway. You can fit in a lot of vehicles in this driveway. I would say at least 3, maybe even 4. And that goes to the front of the home. Here's the inside of the garage. So it's being used as a storage right now, but you can definitely fit one large vehicle here. So here is the Harvard Park Recreation Center behind me. It's a pretty large center, as you could see. So here we have the playground and picnic area. And then in the background, there should be the pool right there. And we have the baseball field right in here. Yes, that's the pool right there. There are tennis courts over there in the background. There you go, tennis courts. So it's a great center for people living in the area to hang out. They have a ton of activities here. So here is the baseball field. Here we have the aquatic center with the pool. As you could see over there is a little slide. There's a lot of grassy area for people to hang out, have picnic, bring kids, and hang out at the playground. Here's the basketball court. And then in the background behind it, we have the tennis court. So there's plenty to do for the residents. Great activities. Here's a little bit more of the playground. This is another cute little starter home currently available in Harvard Park. It's a completely remodeled 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, about 880 square feet on a little over 3,300 square foot lot, currently listed at $675. As you could see, super cute from the front yard. There's parking in the back, a little bit of backyard. It's a great price for what it is. Great starter home. This is another great property currently available in Harvard Park. There are 2 houses on the lot, completely remodeled. The front house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the back house is 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. There is also a detached garage, two-car garage, which could be potentially converted into ADU. So there is a wonderful potential, additional potential with this property, and it's currently available at $979. Beautifully done, very charming, craftsman style. As you could see, the front yard, the driveway going back to the back house, and the garage. Great property, fantastic for someone to live in the front and rent out the back, or in-laws, or having a extended family. Wonderful property. And here is another two houses on the lot property, front house and a back house. And there's actually a privacy fence between the two homes, so it makes it super convenient if one of them is rented. Look at this cute, charming, craftsman style home. Adorable front yard. And it's currently offered at $749. Very cute, very charming. And here we have a very affordable option in this cute, charming Spanish style home. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, about 880 square feet on a 3360 square foot lot. And it's currently offered at $565. Very affordable. And also there are quite few affordable financing options for this home. One of them is 3% down payment with up to $20,000 grant, which is fantastic. The grant could be used for down payment, towards down payment, closing costs, or the rate buy down. Please reach out and I'll be happy to provide you with more information about the financing option. And as I said, there are actually quite few, so please reach out. I'll be happy to provide more information. And here we have another beautiful home currently available in Harvard Park neighborhood. This beautiful craftsman style charmer. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, about 1,200 square feet on a 5,000 square foot lot. It's beautifully remodeled with modern amenities. It has detached two-car garage, which could be potentially converted into ADU. And as you could see, it's gated. It has cute privacy fence. Very nice property on a cute street, actually. A lot of homes here seem to be well maintained and or remodeled. So this is a fantastic deal, currently listed at $799. Good price for 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and moving condition, remodeled, modern amenities. Great property. And that would be it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in learning more about real estate opportunities here in Los Angeles area, please feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to answer any questions. And my name again is Gabriela with SoCal Living. And if you would like to get more insights on living in Southern California, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video.